Hi, Matthias here from Molnify. Today I'm going to show you how you can create this application. This is an app where we have some HTML elements both within inputs and within outputs. Let's get into it. So here we are in Excel and I already have 3 inputs here: name, company and email. Over here I have 3 links: link to our webpage, link to a Molnify logo, and the third one is actually a YouTube video with some embedding code, which you see up here. And you can choose to display links and images and videos in a Molnify application both as an input or as an output. So I thought I would start with showing you how to do it for an input field. Here are my inputs now. These are blank, so here a person will be able to write his name, his company and his email. And below here maybe I'll type check this out. And in this cell here, which I will color green to turn it into another input, I will type equal sign, situation mark, and then let's go for this HTML code to create a link. And now I want to use the link which I have up here. So I will put equal sign and then situation mark with only one sort of line here, and then a double line. And this is just due to Excel treating this a little bit weird if you have 2 situation marks in a row, but they are needed for the HTML code. So this is my solution here. So, and then I'll just put this cell reference here, and then I will continue with the HTML. So situation mark with 1 dash, and then I will do target equals blank to have this have the link open up another window, and then my tag, and then we're gonna have some text, and we'll type molnify.com here, and then a situation mark like that. So this is what the text will look like now. ahref equals, and then a situation mark with only one sort of line, the URL, and then target blank, and then molnify.com. And I actually forgot to end this with a tag like that. Okay, so now that's done, let's also put some metadata in this app. So ID HTML demo YouTube, and name HTML demo YouTube. Then I will color these cells purple. I'll turn the text white so it's easier to read. Okay, so metadata is done, but I forgot one thing. Now this is an input which Molnify will interpret as an input pre-filled with text, and we don't want anyone to change this text, and we also want Molnify to pick up on the HTML. So in the UI cell here I will type info text, and that will have this input become non-editable, and Molnify will also pick up the HTML. So let's save the file, and then let's move over to app.molnify.com, and here we have clicked the create app, and then I can just get my file like this, and I can drop it here, and it will upload. And now when it's done, you can see that we have 3 inputs here, and then we have the link as well. And if I click this link, a new window will open up, and we will see Molnify's webpage. Nice. All right, so let's continue with the image here. Maybe I want to put that underneath here. So in this case, I will just type equal sign, situation mark, and then img src equals, and then situation mark with only one little line in it, and then a regular situation mark. And then we will reference this cell here, which is the URL of the image. And then we'll continue with the text, and we will type height equals 60. All right, and then we will end it like that. Here we can see the text IMG SRC and then situation mark with only one line, the URL and then a situation mark with one line, height equals 60 within situation marks, and then the end tag. Let's put info text here as well, and let's turn this cell green to have it become an input. An input without a title, mind you. There's no title here, but you don't have to have that. So let's save this one and go over to the app, and then just get the file and drop it in the sidebar. And once uploaded, we can see that now we have a Molnify logo here as well. Now underneath here I would like to embed a YouTube video, and to do that I'll go back to the Excel file and I'll type check out this tutorial. And since YouTube is kind enough to supply code for HTML code for embedding videos, I can just make a cell reference up to the code that is in this box here, and I'll turn it into an input by coloring it green. Then I'll pull info text down, save the file, and drag my file over to the sidebar once again. And now my embedded video should appear down here, and surely it does. I can also play it here if I want to. You can also have HTML objects and the code in outputs. So if I, for instance, if I do this, I will type Molnify's logo. Then I can just cell reference this cell right here, and then I will color the cell red to have it become an output instead. In the UI cell here I will type HTML to not have it become an output box but rather an HTML panel, and I will also type hide copy. Right, let's save that and click the cloud in the app, and let's upload the file once again. See if that worked. Molnify logo. Yes, it worked, and it appears now in an HTML panel as an output here. I see now that the size of this is not optimal, so I'm going to fix that as well. YouTube has included some code for fixing that here. Let's see. Okay, so 560 divided by 3 is 186. 315 divided by 3 is 105. Okay, enter and save. I'm back to the Molnify application and upload. Yeah, maybe that's a bit too small. You can also add HTML to text. So if I had a text that I wanted to include for, let's say, in this output here, I could do this, that I could write the text here. Hello, this text is, and then I add an HTML tag for bold, tag B tag, and I'll type bold, and then an end tag for the bold text. Maybe I also add a BR tag and BR tag like that. That is for line breaks. So let's say now that I just go like this. I cell reference this cell and this cell as well. Then that is included in the red output box, and when I save and upload we will see the results. So let's see what that looks like. Hello, this text is bold. Yeah, that worked. So there you have it. This is a way that you can incorporate HTML into your Molnify application to show videos or show links, or just styling some text. If you want to try it yourself, go to molnify.com and start a 30-day free trial account. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a great day. Bye bye.